All right, truck lovers, gearheads, and diesel aficionados, buckle up. You've asked for it, and today we're diving deep into two of the biggest players in the game, the 2026 PACCAR MX-15 and the 2026 Caterpillar 3406E. But hold on, this isn't just about horsepower and torque. We're going to break down these engines from top to bottom, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one deserves to take the wheel in 2026. So, who's the true king of the road? The PACCAR MX-15 or the Caterpillar 3406E? Let's find out. When you think about reliability and raw power in the trucking industry, PACCAR and Caterpillar are two of the first names that come to mind. But the question is, which one is the right fit for your fleet in 2026? Let's start by laying the foundation. Both the PACCAR MX-15 and the Caterpillar 3406E are iconic names in diesel technology. First up, the PACCAR MX-15. This 15-liter powerhouse is engineered with advanced materials, offering a balance of power and fuel efficiency that has been a game-changer in the heavy-duty truck market. And guess what? It's not just about performance, it's about smart performance. The MX-15 comes packed with cutting-edge tech like predictive maintenance sensors and a highly optimized fuel system that's designed to keep your truck running longer while cutting down on costly downtime. Now, if we shift gears to the Caterpillar 3406E, well, it's been a legend in the diesel engine world for decades. Known for its raw, almost unrelenting power, the 3406E has earned its place in trucking folklore. In 2026, the 3406E is still going strong, and Caterpillar has managed to keep its DNA intact while making the engine smarter, cleaner, and more efficient. The 3406E is built to last, with durability that's practically unmatched in the industry. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Why are we even comparing a modern marvel like the PACCAR MX-15 with a vintage legend like the Caterpillar 3406E? Well, let me ask you this. Have you ever seen a classic muscle car challenge a modern sports car? It's that kind of debate. Stay with me. Let's dive deeper. We're talking power and efficiency here, but there's more to the story. Let's start with the numbers that matter the most to truck owners: torque and horsepower. The PACCAR MX-15 is available in several power configurations, but let's focus on the mid-range 510 horsepower model. With a torque range peaking at around 1,850 pound-feet, the MX-15 has the edge when it comes to fuel economy. Its design allows it to extract more energy from every drop of fuel, and with fewer maintenance requirements, you can get more miles per dollar. Now, the Caterpillar 3406E. The 3406E still holds its own with up to 475 horsepower in some models, with torque peaking at around 1,550 pound-feet. Not bad, right? But here's the twist. The 3406E thrives on torque-heavy applications, particularly in rough, heavy-duty jobs that demand all that grunt power. While it may not have the top-end horsepower that the MX-15 offers when it comes to hauling under extreme conditions, the 3406E is a workhorse. Voiceover shifts to authoritative, confident tone. Now, let's cut to the chase. We've covered power, performance, and torque, but there's one aspect that might tip the scales: maintenance and overall cost of ownership. Here's the deal. While both engines are built to last, the PACCAR MX-15 has made strides in reducing overall maintenance costs with its innovative technology. With features like automatic diagnostics, predictive maintenance, and an easily accessible design, it's much easier for technicians to get the job done quickly and efficiently. Translation: lower downtime, fewer surprises, and better long-term value. On the other hand, the Caterpillar 3406E is known for its rugged durability. But if you're driving an older model, maintenance can get costly as components age. The 3406E requires more frequent service and might not be as streamlined as the newer PACCAR models in terms of parts availability or service ease. Now, I know what you're thinking. Hey, I don't need a robot to tell me when my engine's about to blow. But trust me, in 2026, being ahead of the curve can